The fastest way to add water to the toilet bowl to aid plunging is to introduce water quickly without flushing so the bowl refills to a workable level. Start by assessing the tank and bowl water levels to avoid overflow. If the tank has usable water, slightly lift and hold the tank handle so water enters the bowl slowly. Release before the tank refills to prevent a full flush. If the tank is empty or the handle method is impractical, carry a bucket of warm water and pour from hip height into the bowl, aiming for the center to create force and avoid splashing. Use warm water because it helps break down fats and soft blockages without cracking porcelain. Position the plunger correctly with the flange fully seated over the drain hole and maintain a tight seal before pushing and pulling in a controlled rhythm for at least 20 strong strokes. If water level starts to rise dangerously, stop adding water, remove some into a separate container, and then resume plunging so you do not cause an overflow. Common mistakes include flushing again, which can worsen a partial clog and cause overflow. Avoid any additional flushes and add water manually instead. Another mistake is using cold or too much water too quickly, which can cause splashing or porcelain stress. Use warm water and pour gradually from a moderate height. A third issue is a poor plunger seal from an incorrect angle or damaged flange. Reposition the plunger so it fully covers the drain and replace the plunger if the rubber is cracked or misshapen. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and to help contractors find work by connecting them with local project opportunities. Our site also includes a discussion community where we and our members exchange tips, ask questions, and share real-world experience.